One of the most valuable skills in the garden is knowing when, what and how to prune. And it's not just about tidying your plants. It can do wonders for them too by improving their structure, improving their growth, and it can help with their flowering. Across many garden planting favourites, small precise cuts made at the right time of year can make a noticeable difference. When it comes to pruning different plants, there are a few ways to approach it. Plants like lavenders and salvias are generally far more forgiving. Rather than precise structural pruning, they usually respond well to lighter trims to remove spent flower spikes and encourage fresh growth and future buds. Whereas plants like hydrangea macrophylla require a slightly more careful approach. Varieties like these flower on older wood, so you want to give them a light prune at the end of summer or in early autumn. And you'll find that will set them up really well to flower later on in the year. At this stage, it's usually best to focus on selectively removing dead or weaker stems while preserving the main framework of the plant. With many fruiting trees, pruning just above a healthy outward-facing bud helps to direct the new growth away from the centre of the plant. And the same goes for roses. This improves the airflow, reduces congestion, and supports a more balanced shape as the plant grows. Clean cuts here are especially important because you don't want to have your plant with any damaged or torn cuts because that leaves them open to getting lots of fungal and disease issues. So having a reliable pruner that's precise makes it so much easier. That's where these come in handy. The STIHL ASA 20 battery secateurs use a progressive cutting action, so the blade follows your finger pressure as you work. That gives you very good control in the hand and allows you to move cleanly through a wide range of plants. Branches up to 25mm can be cut easily, so you can cover a broad range of different plants in your garden. The consistent power from the AS battery system also supports extended pruning sessions with up to 2,000 cuts per charge. The ASA 20 secateurs are well built for regular garden use and include a clear display so you can easily monitor the battery level, tool status and the total cut count as you work, so you can see just how many branches you have tackled. With many perennials and shrubs in your garden, doing more detailed pruning is far better for them than doing a really heavy, aggressive prune. So with a little bit of precision, you'll get way better results and they'll shoot away in the seasons to come.